Adi Shankaracharya once said, Kaste Kanta Kaste Putra Samsara Yamativa Vichitra. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Karthik Puvanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. And as I'm traveling, I remember the words of this great saint. He's also said something. Mata nasti, pita nasti, nasti bandhu sabodara. Fantastic things. Because it just reinforces one very, very powerful essence that nobody is anybody's. Because as you are aging, your soul is losing its capacity to hold on to the physical body. The physicality is losing its vibrancy all the time. And sooner or later you will have a complete process which is called as death. Nobody even speaks about this, but this is a living reality in people's lives. People have to encounter this. No matter what you say, they have to leave this planet and go. Even if you go to another planet, still you have to leave your body. So it is very, very important for an individual person to realize and understand the mortal nature of the human existence. And then ask yourself, how much time do you actually have in this planet? Are you going to live here for thousands of years? We've not seen such things. Well, 64, 70, 80. If you're very healthy, like the Ikigai books, maybe 100, 110. In that, almost in a day for 8 hours to 10 hours, you will sleep. Then 2 hours you will take to freshen up, eat, all those things. So half a day is anyway gone. So even let's say the average age, lifespan is 70 years. In 70, 35 years to just goes away in eating and sleeping. Yeah? 35 years is all that you live actually. In 35 years of active life, if you look at it, how much of active, joyful moments you truly have? Think about it. How much active, joyful, vibrant moments you truly have? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's important to think about it. Because when you don't think about these things in reality, you will continue to live at absolute levels of ignorance. And when you live in ignorance, all that you will face in life is misery. And that's what is happening to people, different forms of misery. Some people get frustrated, some people feel angry, some people feel unhealthy, some people feel depressed, some people feel lonely, some people feel... All are various formats of misery because you are not connected to life. So what I say, go out, travel to places which have some abundance of nature, encounter people who are more lively. The world does not stop with your parents. I want you to understand this. The world does not stop with your parents. The world does not stop with your relatives. The world is much, much bigger than your friends and your relatives. 700 crore people. It's very huge. And in this, the only two things are very rare: authentic devotion, authentic love. So for these two things, obviously you are extremely lucky if you have encountered an individual in your life, or for that matter, even if your lover is awakened. Apart from that, for rest of the things, the world is big, very big. You will have various kinds of nonsense happening in the world. But I will tell you one thing. If you truly want to take absolute control of your life, you have to control the chemical process happening within by your own internal abilities. That means, for me, like I have said this in many videos, I don't travel because it makes me feel joyful. I am joyful and therefore I travel. So the moment you become joyful within by your own nature, and now you want to connect with people just to express your joy, then it's going to be like a very, very fun-fledged life, because now nobody can take anything away from you. You are controlling the thought process, you are controlling controlling the activities, you are controlling the internal states and chemistry that's happening to you within yourself. You are not dependent, you are not a parasite to attract some kind of a joy or some kind of a little pleasure. You're absolutely feeling fantastic within yourself. It's a very pleasurable experience when you're by yourself. That's when you got to engage with the world. But no, there is no emphasis about any of these things in the schools or the colleges, and the ignorant parents have never ever taught us anything about these things. And they continue to think that they are smart. When ignorant people think they are smart, all that they are going to do is cause disaster in the world. And this is what's happening. The young children who are growing to become old, and they become tough nuts, and they keep spreading the same to the next generation, the next generation, and the next generation. Now the big problem is the next generation has begun to think, and now they want to just prioritize their freedom. But now freedom is like a sharp knife. With a shaky hand, they are trying to have a freedom, and they're cutting themselves off. This is why lots and lots of people, especially America, if you look at it, it's like a dream country. For a lot of people, they just wait and they want to just get a visa to enter that country. I've been there, I have so many well-wishers, and it is nowhere closer to heaven. 70 to 80% of the people are in Prozac, depression. They're frustrated. Like recently I had done a backpacking experience, and fused it with my workshops over 21 European countries, right from Finland to down south to Greece, to Santorini Island, to this side going to Portugal. Nowhere, most of the people are frustrated, depressed. Why? They're living in the cleanest country, very developed, fantastic architecture. The government is very doing pro in many of the European countries. Why then most of the people are suffering? This is because the internal nature has never ever been emphasized and handled in a very functional manner. And that is exactly where the entire focus must be. When the focus is in that direction, everything becomes absolutely incredible. So ladies and gentlemen, think about what is it that you can do to bring stability in your life. What is it that you can do to bring joy in your life by your own nature? And once you do that, everything becomes absolutely fantastic. Have a great day, everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. And I will see you in another amazing video. Good day.